Again with Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel. Is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes, ideas and things. I'm gonna make you a nice lovely red onion and cucumber salad with some peppers, olive oil and some chili pepper, also to bring in a lovely flavor and spices towards it. First of all, I must say to you, I just cut up one medium-sized red onion into some slices, so it's ready. All right, I got one medium-sized cucumber, and all I'm going to do is this: cut into half, and I'm gonna simply do some slices. So if you're a person who love cucumber, this is what you need to do. All right, very easy and simple recipe. This is for the barbecue for summer. And I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna cut it in half again. So you know, you get more from the cucumber. So one person now get a big pieces, you know. Nice one. So we got some chili. I'm gonna put a little bit of chili. We got some pepper. And we got some olive oil. Lots of olive oil. Nice one. Then simple. I'm just gonna be using my gloves. And marinate it up like this. Scrape it out into a smaller container, and this is ready for the barbecue. Very simple recipe for the barbecue. This is exactly what I'm talking about right here, guys. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Ricardo, represent Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel. Red onion with cucumber, olive oil, chili pepper and black pepper. Sell off. Good to go. Simple, easy, ready for the summer barbecue, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. And subscribe is very important to get the latest update from Chef Ricardo.